Okay, so welcome back to our family travel channel. In this video I wanted to show you Caspersen Beach, which is actually one of my favourite beaches, and I'm going to link a video to what it used to look like in the description. But as you can see, you can't even get down the road and we're still probably about a quarter of a mile from the beach. Okay, so this is quite hard to comprehend, but where you see these wooden bollards in front of me and that sign saying no parking, this is the road that takes you down to Caspersen Beach. Wow, this is incredible. We are so high up compared to what this used to be, this beach. And you can see some of the asphalt here and where it's all cracked away and broken. So we're going to keep walking down, and in the distance I can see the Caspersen Beach sign. So, wow, this is really sad. So this again is the road going down to Caspersen Beach. So for those of you that have been here, normally on your right hand side here you would have all of the brush, and then that would lead down to the beach. But it's come up, the sand is so deep and so high that now it's all flattened out and it's level with where that road was. So we're going to keep going down. So I wonder if this palm tree will become a symbol of Hurricane Milton. Look at it, oh, it's just a single palm tree just survived in the middle of the beach. Look at that. Okay, so here's the official Caspersen Beach park sign that you see as you come down towards the beach. And normally this road would curve off to the right here and keep going down to the parking and the changing rooms and toilets. But as you can see, the road is just completely washed away. So we're getting closer to the beach, and this is the first parking area that you come to on your left. Just completely damaged. I'm not sure they're going to recover from this down here. One thing I will say though, it's great to see people are still out here shark teeth hunting, which is one of the things that Caspersen Beach has become famous for. And here's one of the former main boardwalks, which again is just completely gone. And as you can see there, that's the restroom facilities and the main parking lot. And you just see the sand has just come all the way up and completely covered that parking area as well. So okay, we're going to keep walking down. Okay, and here she is. Here's Caspersen Beach, how she is now after Hurricane Milton. Today's date is October 18th, so we're a week and a bit since the storm hit. So yeah, nature has done its thing, and unfortunately I think we as people are probably responsible for this, and maybe nature just wanted its beach back. But if you found this video helpful, please tap the like button, and on your screen I'm going to post a video to Venice Beach post Milton, so you can kind of see the damage there and whether that beach is open or not. As always, happy travels.